We have example in South Africa when Nelson Mandela was fighting against the white apartheid government. The white apartheid government called him a terrorist and imprisoned him in Robben Island for more than 25 years. He was called the terrorist number one at that time. When South Africa gets its freedom, they make Nelson Mandela, he's elected as the president of the country. And we know this history. On the other hand, when the freedom fighters are called as terrorists, on the other hand, the media is painting the terrorists as great people. We know that the bombing that was done in King David Hotel, where many people were killed, many Jews were killed, many Muslims were killed, and Menachem Begin at that time, he was the person who did this bombing. Later on, that same terrorist, he is made the president of Israel, the prime minister of Israel. The terrorist, and then he gets the Nobel Prize for Peace. Imagine, the person who was a terrorist, actual terrorist, later on the world gives them a Nobel Prize for Peace. This is all done by the media. The media can convert black into white, day into night, hero into a villain.